Look how beautiful this meal is, guys. Beautiful. This is so amazing. Beautiful meal, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making curry chicken foot and turkey back. So let me show you what I use for season my curry chicken foot and turkey back. Here are the ingredients that I use. I use some red pepper, some green pepper, scallion, onion and garlic. Also, I did with some all-purpose seasoning, also my Caribbean spice and roasted garlic, some black pepper, as well as some all-natural all-purpose seasoning, guys. And I even the chicken foot and turkey back. So I did all that. I cut up all these peppers and all these scallion and put them on. And now I'm ready to put some oil. I'll be using coconut oil inside the pot today. I have my pot here is heating, so I'm just going to use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and so this is my chicken, all seasoned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this seasoning for the oil, so I'm gonna scrape those off and I'm gonna use for the oil. I'm gonna fry them and then I'm gonna burn my curry inside here. I'm going to put the curry in, and I'm using better pack curry. Okay, I'm gonna put the curry in like a tablespoon of curry. Just burn that curry, guys. I'm doing this thing, guys. Also, I use cilantro in the season process. I use some cilantro. This is cilantro. What I'm gonna do is add in my chicken foot. Okay. So that's it here. Smell amazing in here. And also I'm going to make some dumpling for to eat with my chicken. I'm going to be making squash dumpling. So I'm going to blend this up and put it in my flour. I'm going to knead it, okay? So I'm going to get my blender, cut this up smaller for the blender, something with a flour with a difference, okay? So you can't always eat plain dumpling. Just gonna blend it for about a minute. I'm just going to remove this, and I'm going to add this mixture into my flour. Sprinkle of salt, guys. I'm going to pour my mixture inside my flour. Let's mix it in. Okay, let's knead. So you don't need to add any water to this mixture. Just knead it. Just add a little bit of salt and just knead. Okay guys, just knead that, and that's about it. Let's check my chicken foot, guys. It's amazing up in here. Okay guys, what I'm going to be adding to the pot is banana. This is banana, green banana. Okay guys, I'm going to add this into the pot. So I already pour it, and I'm just going to use my hand to remove the skin. Okay guys, so this is how you remove the skin of the banana. This is green banana. I put it in the fridge. It's a little bit dark, but it is still good. And you just take off these parts. This is a plantain, and this is, I slit the side and just use my hand to peel it. Just like that. That's what it is, to take the skin off. Ooh, smell amazing guys. Smell amazing in here. OMG. Wow. Some time to cook down. Let me taste. See where, if we need some more seasoning. Don't need nothing else. Just good as how it is. Just let it cook down a bit. My chicken foot is finished cooking. Guys. Okay guys, let's plate it together. Okay, so I have my provision is ready, or they call it food. You know, it's ready guys, so let's plate it. So get the dumpling, my squash dumpling is looking good. My banana, and my plantain, my chicken foot and turkey back. This looks so amazing. OMG. I have some kale, steamed kale. Okay. Can't go wrong with my vegetable guys. Okay guys, let's eat. Join me as I taste my lovely meal. So let's taste the chicken. Amazing. 2 thumbs up. Yes. Let's try the dumpling, guys. Dumpling and chicken, curry chicken, guys. Such amazing meal. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my channel, guys. Please subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye.